What do we really know about the shadowy figures from the past we call the Vikings?
We need to get the bigger picture. The Vikings were everywhere, we know that.
That's why this year's Medieval Studies Day lecture will focus on women Vikings and the evidence archaeologists have recently dug up for women warriors among the Viking culture. Popular TV series like The Vikings and The Last Warrior show women in roles that we probably didn't expect them to have. And Dr. Mary Volante's talk on March the 8th will focus on these very intriguing new gender roles. So please join us in Dina's Place on Tuesday, March 8th at 11 a.m. for this global cultural event. And remember, there's only one minor at Winthrop that lets you go medieval on your transcript.